SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, synchronization, position matrix relationships to job relationships topic is a very important. Whenever we maintain matrix relationship in position side, it's supposed to be synchronized with the employee job relationships of HR manager. Otherwise, position side will have one type of HR manager and job information side different type of HR manager. That is the reason why we have this synchronization between position to job relationships. It is going to save a lot of manual effort and also it ensures the actual reporting structure. But it is having one limitation. It supports only one value per relationship type. How to maintain or how to validate this matrix relationship from position to job relationships? First, you have to go to position. You have to identify a position with the matrix relationship. Then after that, when you are going to assign a particular position to the incumbent, system automatically will check what type of HR manager position we identified and who is the incumbent of that particular position, and it is going to create a job relationship with that incumbent of the person. So this is going to this is going to ensure that we have a accurate reporting and organization structure. Can we go back and test this in the instance? Yes. You can look at the success factors employee central side. So you can see one of the employee called Ari Wilson. Ari Wilson currently occupied a position called account manager position. And this employee position account manager, if I can select this position ID and if I can go to manage positions, you can see account manager. And account manager position at present is not having any kind of matrix relationship. So therefore, so here also you can able to see there are no job relationship data. But now what I will do is I want to assign in position side matrix relationship. When I assign matrix relationship, this position matrix relationship position, whoever is the incumbent, that same person details are supposed to update here in job relationships. So we'll go back and test it. I'm going to make the correction to this particular position record and I can assign the matrix relationship. So in matrix relationship, I'm going to assign here HR manager name. So we have one of the HR manager called HR admin 1, this position. Who is the HR admin 1 manager at present? This particular position is occupied by Nancy Nash. HR admin 1 position is occupied by Nancy Nash. So I'm updating this relationship and I'm going to save this. So it is going to identify automatically in the backend. Okay, Ari Wilson currently is holding this position. Do you want to update the job relationships? It will ask you this confirmation window. You can click on yes. And now you can refresh the job profile of Ari Wilson. You can able to see system automatically created job relationships. We have updated position matrix relationship and it is synchronized with the job relationships information. Now we will do one more testing. So what I am saying is I'm going to insert one more record with a different date starting from, I can say, January 1st, 2015. Now we will change the matrix relationship. So with the new HR manager, HR TM manager position is occupied Alex Anderson. So therefore, I'm going to update here HR TM manager position. HR TM manager position incumbent or employees Alex Anderson. So I'm going to save this. So once again, it is confirming because Ari Wilson is holding this particular position. You are maintaining the matrix relationship. Therefore, your job relationship screen will be updated automatically. Yes. So now you can refresh the page again. So you can see here, HR manager is updated with Alex Anderson. Previously, Nancy Nash was it, but now HR manager Alex Anderson is updated. You can go back to history of the record. So July 30th, 2012, we can able to see Nancy Nash name. But after that, you can able to see Alex Anderson name with effective from January 1st, 2015. So with this test, what we are concluding is whenever we maintain matrix relationship in the position side, that particular position holder or incumbent, whoever is there, that person details will be updated in the job relationships. Because this is what we have a synchronization in the position management settings. If you can go to position management settings, you can able to see matrix synchronization. Here, synchronize position matrix relationship to job relationships of incumbents, always it is maintained. So the moment you update the position matrix relationship, automatically it will synchronize job relationships of incumbents because of this synchronization node. Thank you.